Holy mother. This one is full hyper because she slept early and nicely. Anyway, without much nonsense, welcome back to another one. I still haven't woken up. Sorry about that very stupid start earlier. But yeah, welcome to another new vlog. And this one is going to be exciting because this one is about Aero India. I'm not going to keep much bullshit, but super excited. Been hearing a lot about this. Right now it's about almost 7 a.m. and starts around 9:30. And the place where it's happening is about 20 kilometers away. So just quickly get ready and I think I'll see you guys in the car.
1 hour later.
Hello, namaste, welcome to new vlogs. No energy. Morning also I tried to start the video, but full lazy feels coming. Oh,
School office time.
oh yeah, today's a Friday, no? See what the fuss is all about. It's Aero India 2023.
No, not morning itself.
Now you irritate, go pick up.
Come on.
Here, how many kilometers is this thing?
70.
A day, full traffic already in the morning. And it's already 8:15 now. It's supposed to start at 9:30. Okay, I'm not going to keep too much blah 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 blah. This is going to be about, was it worth spending the 2000 rupees ticket or not? Late traffic and rerouting. West, full west.
1 eternity later.
My sub, worst parking ever. They tried but could have done better. They had boards like that all over. Okay, finally made it. It's the car parking. The security is way too tight and
Check the weather forecast and all.
clear sky.
Very nice.
Yeah, like perfect for
Show the sky.
some jet is powering up. See?
Now, the Sudakiran Aerobatic Display Team first.
Girl started her breathing, saw the food
Open
court.
air.
Food court. And running through like some gated thing.
They would have shot me.
I would have been like, you keep the body, I'll watch the show and then I'll take and go.
Sure.
Nonsense. Finally entered the food court. Managed to get like veg puff. No veg puff, yeah. Bloody complete rip off. These two burnt ass puffs for 60 bucks each. And some lime rice for 100 bucks. Full maja mana. Luckily we can take it outside and go. So let's see.